If you've seen the channel, then you know that I love making GTA clones. And just to demonstrate the absurd capabilities of modern software, you'll know that I even do it in just 1 week, or 10 days. I saw this video and thought, perhaps I could hop on this whole ChatGPT thing and leverage artificial intelligence to make it in 1 hour. Just kidding. Look at this mess. I mean, at this point, it's not even GTA. It's just a murder simulator that took 3 days. You'll notice that the map and the NPCs are the same models found in my most recent clone. So just to be clear, the AI didn't make the models, it didn't make the textures, it didn't make anything except for the code. Speaking of the code, the AI has made some of the most atrocious, illogical decisions I have ever seen. What is a fixed process? Kinematic bodies do not signal fixed process. I caught the AI making up functions, properties, and classes all over the place. I don't even know what this does. I've never seen it before. I don't know, maybe I'm stupid, but the game functioned just as well without it. After fixing its garbage code for about 2 hours, I swear it would have been faster to make it myself. I got to work on the camera, and then after I ran into several errors, I gave up on it when it didn't declare the variable. How does artificial intelligence forget to declare a variable? I scrapped it and imported some old code from before. The NPCs are always really fun. As you can see, ChatGPT did a great job creating one. After some of my revisions, I got them working just fine. I imported the map real smoothly, and things were beginning to wrap up. I got the AI to actually successfully generate a node that spawns NPCs, which was about the only thing that I only had to make minor touches to. Obviously, having a brand new AI generate a AAA video game would be absurdly difficult, but seriously. These were basic, easy-to-fix bugs that the bot was generating. I mean, try asking it to play chess or correctly identify the third word in a sentence. It's not artificial intelligence. It's a really sophisticated bot that has gathered data from human-written articles and human-written code that tries to spew it out in a way that fits the given context. If you're a programmer, then you don't have to worry about AI coming for your job anytime soon.